Apple Photos has recently introduced this amazing feature called duplicates. So you will see that on your left tab. Um, and basically this allows you to merge the duplicates, so you will be able to get rid of the duplicate images which are there in your Apple Photos library. So there are two options. First is to merge the exact copies only, and second is to merge X number of items. We chose the first option, merge exact copies only. So how it works is that if there are, let's say, five versions of the photo, so it will just merge them into one single copy, keeping all the relevant data from all the versions in one single file, and it reads all the um, versions and moves those to the recently deleted folder. So you'll be able to go there and retrieve those in case you want to, which would be that you can use that further to export and keep a separate backup in case you are too much anxious or worried about the data. So yeah, this is how you get rid of all the duplicates from your Apple Photos library, and this is indeed a lifesaver feature of Apple Photos, because humanly, if you'll try to get rid of all the duplicates, and if you have a large number of photos, then it would take you hours to days to weeks as well. So yeah, thank you Apple.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on being skilled.